Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Cold Blue Cam, and the title of the video is "The One Arrest That Every Cop Fears." What is that? I don't even know what that is. Let's get into it.
On an evening in July 2022, dispatch received a reckless driving complaint involving a black pickup truck in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. The caller reported that the pickup truck, later identified as being driven by a 51-year-old man, was swerving out of his lane and nearly collided with an oncoming vehicle at one point. The caller continued to update dispatch with the vehicle's location, and deputies were notified to be on the lookout for it. A deputy soon spotted the truck and attempted a traffic stop, but the truck refused to slow down and quickly reached speeds exceeding 90 miles per hour.
Another one taking off for no reason. It's over. You're caught.
6-3, blue stop sign. We're headed north on 45. Traffic's good. Speed's low, 50. Traffic's light. We get someone who's in first place. We're on Fond du Lac, passing the park, coming into the city here, doing 80. Northbound Fond du Lac at Southgate, 93 miles an hour.
You got a pickup truck, bruh. You're not going nowhere.
Shit, 6-3 went through the stop sign up on the curb. We're coming into the roundabout here. Ramsey. And we're going on Ramsey. 6-3, can we get a box on approval? What's up, we're wheeling 70, traffic's light.
Set up at 151 Integrated with Spike.
10-4, we're going southbound on 151 now.
During the pursuit, other deputies positioned themselves ahead and prepared to deploy spike strips.
89, I'm going to try spikes at me here.
Sheriff 63 to 59, can you tell how many occupants?
Now you're going to get locked up and have to fix the vehicle.
85 miles an hour in the fast lane, traffic slide. Good hit on spikes, good hit on spikes.
Still southbound about 100 miles an hour, 151. Traffic's light.
Once you hit them spikes, it's a wrap.
Eventually, one of the suspect's tires came off, and he began driving on the rim.
Looks like the passenger side tires are deflated. 6-3 to 155. If we can get him to slow down enough, can we get a box on approval?
Multiple units at once.
6-3, passenger side tires are coming apart. We need another unit up here. Exiting on the Hickory Street, passenger side tires are completely on rims and in. Northbound on Hickory. Northbound on Hickory from 151.
Why run, especially if you have a pickup truck? You're not going nowhere with no pickup truck. Like, it's not like you got a motorcycle, like you could, a little crotch rocket or something, you could, like you could, you know what I'm saying? You could maneuver in that. Bro, you not maneuvering nothing in no in no pickup truck, bro. Like they were behind you the whole time. Like it's not one point in time where like they lost sight of you or anything, like where you got crazy ahead of them or nothing. You probably, I don't even know if you got a Hemi in that thing. That thing probably don't even get up like that. Like, come on, bro. It's a wrap.
5962, get up there.
Given the suspect's erratic driving, high speeds, and approach toward a more populated area, a deputy executed a pit maneuver, causing the vehicle to spin out and end up in a ditch.
Good pit, 1050. Just north of.
You're done.
Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up in the air!
Put your hands up! Do it now!
Hands up now! You got less lethal.
I'll go taser. Put your hands up!
Put your hands up in the air. Do it now! Up in the air!
I got comms. Step out of the car. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Take steps to your right. Walk that way. He has no fucking pants on. No, go this way. I gotta see him. Hands up. Go to the right. Go this way. Go to your left. Walk to me with your hands up. Walk this way. Walk to us. Put your hands up. Walk to us.
What kind of freak
Go
show
down
is
on your
this?
knees now. Let's just have him out there. I don't want him to get too close. Go down to your knees. Okay. Down to your knees. Lay down. Lay down. Go down to your knees. Lay down. All the way down. Look away from us. Do not move or you will get tased. Do not move. Do not move. Okay. Put your hands on your back right now.
While taking him into custody, deputies observed a brown-like substance running down his legs, in which he confirmed he had shit his pants, and tossed them out the vehicle during the pursuit.
Okay, watch crossfire, you guys.
Crossfire.
There.
Come on, man. What?
Sheriff 590-1095. Okay. Do you need an ambulance or anything? Are you hurt? No. No? Okay. 1095. You have pants in the car?
95.
No, I gotta get rid of them.
You got to get rid of them?
Sheriff 155.
Yes. You bring a blanket or something?
You got a blanket in your car?
I do have one of them. Medical ones.
I suppose we got those too.
Andy, do we got a metal blanket or something? You can throw on them?
This is
You
ridiculous.
heard it all, my guy? What's your first name? What's your first name? What's all over your legs?
I go to the bathroom.
Oh.
Do you need an ambulance?
No, I'm okay.
What's going on?
Nothing like.
Well, you don't got pants on.
Well,
And you shit yourself.
yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah.
Much damage? Any damage or not really?
Oh, yeah. I just went for it.
Good.
And you're in a car chase, like trying to figure out what's all going on with you.
Just trying to go home.
Okay. Alrighty.
We're going to put you in the back of the squad now, right? I'm going to have you roll onto this side, okay? So I'm going to pull you this way.
Oh, you gonna go home, all right? They gonna make a new home for you. You gonna go home, all right? Come on, man. You putting the city at risk like this, but in a pickup truck? Oh yeah. They got a nice they got a nice comfy bed just for you, man. It's like one of them thin metal mattresses. You got a mattress, but that thing gonna be so thin and worn out, you gonna sleep on metal. You hear me? Like, oh yeah. You gonna go home, all right? You wanna go home? Okay. They got 3 meals for you, everything. You ain't gotta pay for nothing.
And then we're going to wrap the blanket around you.
Yeah, no, that's fine, sir. I get it fine.
No, you're good. All right, now can you go to your knee? Or to your butt? That'll work.
As they spoke with him, deputies noticed his slurred speech and a strong odor of alcohol coming from
Yeah,
it.
we're going to have you walk to the back of the squad, all right?
All right.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Doug.
Yeah.
Embarrassing.
That's okay. We'll walk up to the squad right here.
Yep.
Is this your squad? Right here.
Too old to be acting like that, man. Come on, man.
Do you have a phone
old.
or anything in your truck you want?
Huh? If I could, yeah.
Where is it?
It should be in the front seat. Yeah.
Front seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, have a seat for me.
Alrighty. We grab his phone and stuff. Is he drunk? Okay.
I'll take photos.
If you really want, can you? I can do photos. Can you two get the OWI process going? We'll grab his phone and then get you guys out of here, and then
Let's go grab it. So any fields?
Was he drunk or high? I was gonna say, if he's drunk, you guys can do it. Sorry, pictures. Okay, perfect. So yeah, you guys want to get rolling with him? Grab his phone and his wallet.
We need. You guys want to stop at the jail and grab like shorts if he doesn't have anything?
So not strolling him through the hospital if he doesn't have pants on.
Who was the one that hit him with this? Luke hit him and then pitted him.
No, you did. Did you spike him? I did. Yeah, he did. Yeah.
First time ever throwing spikes. And I even had to straight like, oh, f***, on my gun.
Someone needs to call that RTE.
Yeah, we can do that.
I can.
Does he have pants in the truck? Does he know?
He said he had to get rid of them.
So before you take him to the hospital, grab Jill's pants.
All right, man. I'm gonna just have you take a deep breath and blow into this like you're blowing up a balloon, okay?
Oh, hold on. Run through fields. Huh? Let's go to the hospital. At least try.
6-2. I sent you that her mom takes her out of the house. And then it's next week.
I'll get pants. You guys at the hospital.
You're gonna get the pants?
I'll grab them. Yeah. Just go to the hospital.
Yeah, there's no pants in there.
Said you had to get rid of them.
If there's ever any law enforcement or anything watching this, like in the comment, why do cops do that? I want to know that you have the breathalyzer, but they always kind of run through the field sobriety test, like the standing on one foot and walking in a straight line and all, with the pen and all that. Why do they do that instead of just hitting them with the breathalyzer? Like, that would be so easier and simple. I never understood that. Why cops go through the full thing instead of just hitting them with the breathalyzer.
Whatever that meant.
Hey, look.
So if there's any law enforcement watching it, could you let me know in the comment section why you guys do that? Because I'm curious.
That's it.
All right, we have someone getting you some pants. So he should be here. He said he was here. So
What happened to your pants?
Oh, short time, so they're gone.
You launched them?
Yep.
Hope they weren't expensive.
No.
2XL. Guess we're gonna
better than a tough blanket. So
All right. Want to toss these bad boys on?
we'll get the cuffs.
Yeah, we can take the handcuffs off and then have you put some pants on. Does that sound good?
Sure.
All right.
He subsequently refused to perform standardized field sobriety tests and declined to provide a preliminary breath test.
Would you be willing to do a field sobriety test for me?
I'm good too.
You don't want to do that at all?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Do you want to do a PBT?
I'm good.
You don't want to do anything?
No.
Okay. You are going to be placed on arrest for drunk driving, okay?
For saying what?
What do you mean?
Why is that?
Because based off your driving behavior, we got a driving complaint about you saying you're all over the road, you almost hit multiple people. You obviously pooped your pants, your eyes are bloodshot, your glossy eyes, you're slurring your speech, you can barely walk or follow simple commands of getting out of the vehicle and putting your hands up.
And you smell like booze.
And you reek of alcohol.
Wow. I'll do the sobriety test, but I guarantee you, it ain't as bad as what you think it is, so.
Oh, it's a little late now.
Dispatch also informed that the male had 5 prior OWI convictions. As a result, the 51-year-old male was charged with felony counts of operating while intoxicated, 6th offense, vehicle fleeing eluding an officer, and operating with prohibited alcohol content, 6th offense. He also received multiple citations totaling over $1,000. Ultimately, he was given a cash bond set at $2,500.